Hello everyone, and welcome back. I got some requests before I came down here to do a video on the chickens. I guess I hear so much of them I don't do a whole lot of filming on them. But anyway, I'm just out here. I'm about to collect the eggs, and thought I'd give you a little peek at the chickens. Melissa has these all separated off into which cages. These she calls the babies because these are the younger ones. I just counted through these and she has about 50 chickens. Before the flood she had about 150, but she was hatching them all the time at that time, so a little bit more manageable now. It looks like we got 13 eggs today that are savable here. There was one that was broke, so it would have been 14, but some of her eggs have just the nicest speckle. I don't know if that's the Morans that are laying those, and then they got these real darker brown ones that are so nice. Some of these she say are kind of green and bluish. Right now, when we're getting 12 to 14 eggs a day, we got plenty in the house, so these just stay out here underneath the carport for right now. And little critters come around and like to steal some of them at night, but Melissa, she's kind of that way. She likes to feed everybody. And I have a video coming up that I'll probably call Under the Carport. I took one of my trail cameras and put underneath here. So I've done it for 2 nights. One night I did pictures, the next night I did it in video. And you'll get to see some of the things that end up underneath the carport, eating dog food and cat food and eggs and anything else they can find. Still have a couple of quail in here. Melissa put them into the brooder because just prior to me coming down here they got so much rain, and the yard was starting to flood a little bit like it always does. So these guys, their cage sits right on the ground, so she brought them in here. Well, there you got a little look at the chickens anyway. It's 84 degrees right now. There's a cold front that's supposed to be coming through this afternoon with a little bit of rain. Tomorrow's high is only supposed to be 70. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.